What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. Julius Malema was speaking yesterday on 16 June, and he was reiterating, the EFF support for Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. The reason why Malema, is coming out in support of Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, it is because, there are individuals and groups who are sort of like not happy about the work being done by the KZN Police Commissioner Mkhwanazi, and this is because of what they call the excessive use of force by the police there in fighting the crime. So Malema, is coming out openly and in support of the commissioner, because he believes, that his leadership is very instrumental in addressing criminal activities in the province. So this kind of support, it's very crucial and very important if you are Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, because it shows you that there are people who are actually supporting you out there in the work that you're doing. I'll catch you guys on the next one.